Give me some nice sound, some symbol, thumbs up. Hmm? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, good. Good. It's a small topic, so we'll see this one today. Okay, so there is a few more topics are there to complete. So just actually, I want to complete this one first and some BSc, PDNS, but the questions also there now, so it is useful for you. Mm. This is Microsoft 365. Microsoft 365 is a formally means earlier name is Office 365. Of course, that time also it's a Microsoft product only. So earlier the name is Office 365. The name changed to Microsoft 365. Actually, it's Office 365. The parallelly they started Microsoft 365. Now there are only Microsoft 365 is available. So what is Office 365? It's a formerly Office 365. It is a cloud-based service. It's a cloud-based service, software as a service. It is a cloud-based service, software as a service. In a cloud, we see an infrastructure as service, platform as a service, but Office 365 or Microsoft 365 is a software as a service. Software as services are subscription model. So it is a subscription model. You have to pay monthly or yearly. As many days you can use it. Okay, if no longer required, then you can cancel it. You can cancel the subscription anytime. And of course, it is Microsoft Office suite only. Okay, so from Office 365 or Microsoft 365, it is nothing but a Microsoft Office suite. You are getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive services from the Microsoft 365. Plus, certain business related applications or enterprise or business related applications also there. Like an example, Microsoft Teams, Exchange, SharePoint, some other things also like a loop or a bookings, okay, forms, Google Forms. So certain additional features, applications depends upon your subscription model you are getting. Insurance, like that. Okay. So main highlight it is Microsoft Teams, Exchange, and SharePoint. Okay. So this is first point of Microsoft Office. It is a Microsoft Office suite on Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive you are getting plus for enterprise or business editions. So then you are getting additionally Microsoft Teams, Exchange, SharePoint, and other enterprise or business related applications also. Okay, it is a cloud-based subscription, cloud-based model, software as a service, subscription model, type monthly or yearly subscription, and you can cancel the subscription anytime in future if not required. If not required, okay. Again, you required after a few days, again you can subscribe, no problem. Access your Office apps from anywhere. You can access your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive from anywhere, anytime, any device from the internet. Okay, both online and offline access is available. Microsoft Office you can access through online, means through web browser you can access. Offline also you can access from your desktop application wise or mobile application wise also you can access. So I took daily your attendance from your Excel. See, this is an Excel sheet where I'm open this Excel sheet in my web browser. Okay, in web browser I open the Excel sheet. Okay, online, Office online, accessing using web browser. Similarly, I can also access certain kind of stuff like documents, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. I can access from I can access from this. What we can say, my desktop means my laptop or desktop environment from both um, a Windows desktop or Windows or a Mac also we can able to access as a desktop application. Mobile applications also available means from my mobile apps also I can access. See, this is, and I didn't open from the browser. I am open from my desktop application only. Okay, access your applications. So then you can access your Microsoft Office both online and offline. So you can access your Office from anywhere, anytime, any device. And Microsoft 365, the Microsoft providing always support. As long as you are a subscription, so it is providing support. Any issues you got it. So Microsoft will support you to resolve those kind of issues. Subscription issues or maybe some application related issues are there. So Microsoft will provide always support. Continuous updates, new features automatically added. Okay. So it's as long as you are subscribed, any new updates are available, it automatically added those updates. Any new features, new versions are there, new additional things are came up. So automatically added. You don't need to subscribe again. Okay. So like that, that is Office 365. And it works on both iOS and Android versions of mobile. It will work. Windows and Mac OS also it works. But I said anywhere, any device, anytime. But Windows and Mac, of course. What about Linux and Unix? If you have a browser, like in a Linux desktop version you install, you got a Firefox browser. Through browser, you can access it. Okay. That application wise, iOS, Android support is also there. Windows and Mac OS applications are available. But other than this, so you can access through browser itself because both online and offline. So guys, this is about your Microsoft 365 or Office 365. Okay. What is the next one? So we discussed Office 365. What about a regular Office? So Office, which is offline Office. Okay. The Office, which is offline type only. Okay. It's a one-time purchase offices. Also, we can say it's a one-time purchase. It is offline desktop applications only. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access, Publisher, OneNote, like this. Depends upon the package you have taken. So you will get a different kind of application. Some are like a basic, home basic kind of stuff. Okay, classic editions, you will get only Word, Excel, Point. Okay, if you go to professional, then you will get a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access, Publisher, OneNote. Business editions are there. Enterprise editions also available. Okay. So based on that, you got a different desktop application. It's an offline model. Okay. The latest version of Microsoft Office is Office 2024. Previously, it is 2021. Before that one, 2016, 2013, 2010, 2007. Okay. So 2003, XP, different Microsoft Office applications are, Office suites are available with the different versions and different editions. It is for one PC, one Mac type. Means you purchase Microsoft Office 2024. How many device you can install that software with that license? Only one device, it will work. Only one device, it will work. Okay, you install in one laptop. Same license, you can't install in, you can't use in any other system. Okay, if for example your laptop is not working, down, completely corrupted. Now you purchase a new laptop or new desktop. Now you want to use Office license. you can use it. You can reactivate your license. But same time, you can't use for both systems. That's why it's one PC or one Mac license only you are getting. One-time purchase. So no need to pay for monthly or yearly. Once you paid, you can use it as long as you can use it. But in a Microsoft Office suite, regular offline offices, it's a limited time period for free and paid support also. Generally, in 60 to 90 days of free support is there. So later, free support is completed from Microsoft, it will go for the paid support. You have to pay for the getting support from the Microsoft. Okay, next. Any new features are introduced. For example, in 2003 to 2007, 2007 to 2010, 2010 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 22. So definitely there is a new additional features are introduced like a Power Query, Copilot, table designing, this macros, developer nodes, automation integrations. So these are all certain features are introduced. Okay, if you want, for example, I purchased 2019. Now I check it in a new, there is new feature in a new version. I don't get new feature in old version. So I have to purchase again new version to get those kind of features. If I don't want those features, no problem. If I want those features, I have to buy new version. Okay, no free upgradation. So updates for limited period of time. Even product updates also, it will provide for a certain period of time, like a first 6 months. Like of course, it's like a 2, 3 years, 5 years updates are there. Total product updates, critical security update. After that, when they stop product updates, they will give you only security or critical updates only. Later it is remote, only critical updates. Later critical also remote. No updates for this product. For example, if I have a um, Office 13, 2013 or 2009, 16. So you don't get any updates. You install but you never get it, and you cannot able to getting update to those offices. Okay. So this is about your regular office. Then what's the difference between this one-time purchase Office 2 and Office 365? In Office 365, generally Office 365 support with one single license, single login, 5 devices it will support. It means same license you can use for your desktop, your laptop, your mobile phone, your tablet also. Like that, you can access. Anytime, anywhere you can access because Office 365 support both online and offline access. OneDrive integration is there. OneDrive means you can secure your data inside a OneDrive space. Okay, you will get a generally 1 TB of OneDrive space you are getting, so you can store all your documents in a OneDrive. So then you can access anytime, anywhere from your both online and offline. You can access your data. It is secure also. Anytime this ransomware attack is happened, so ransomware means you lost your data. Your entire data is locked and you can't regain the data until unless you pay in the bitcoins. Okay. So OneDrive, it is safe, like your data is no longer in a system. It is synced from your system to OneDrive. You keep the data like that. So even you attack with a ransomware or your system is gone, data is safe in the OneDrive. Okay. Coming to normal Office, it is one-time purchase. You are getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but not a OneDrive. Well, you're not getting OneDrive here. Okay. And one which device you install this Microsoft Office, only that device having Microsoft, that license works in that system only. The same license you can't use for multiple devices. Only one device you can use it. And of course, it is regular offline offices are limited period of time for updates and support. But as long as you are subscribed to the Office 365, you will get the continuous support also. So continuous support, continuous updates. Any new features, you don't need to buy a new office again. So because within the subscription only, you will get this new features itself. Okay. But one-time purchase means once you pay to for your office, that is enough. No need to pay for monthly or yearly. But Office 365, as long as you use, you have to pay for the your Microsoft Office. So that's the difference, guys. You see this thing, it is for a comparison purpose. So when I'm taking this information, so it is little older, but very recently they changed this subscription plans also. Earlier, so this Microsoft Office, three things are. One is for home, for business, for enterprises. For home, for business, for enterprise. Three different variations are there. For home or individual person, earlier we are only Office 365 personal, Office 365 family. Now recently they added Office 365 premium also. Okay, in a premium, some additional features you may get it. Okay, for a business, again, few other additions are there. For a business basics, business standard, premium. Earlier days, one more addition is there. Apps for business. Now, apps for business is removed. Enterprises. Office 365 for enterprise organization. Office 365 E3, E5, F3 kind of additions are there. So I'm going to the individual. In an individual, the cost is also changed from previous to now. You can see what's the cost of this. The personal 4,899, but if you see the upgraded price 6,899, 2,000 is increased plus GST, guys. So there is a GST. Okay, personal means only one person. It's only one license, one person purpose only. You can access your office from different devices, like around 5 devices simultaneously. You can use it, and you got a 1 TB of or OneDrive storages, and Copilot support also available. Okay, some imaging, video editing tools also available. Okay, it's a one person license only. Family means, so you purchase this family license, then you can share along with you another 5 members, totally 6 members with you for your one person, and plus 5 more people you can share the license. So you have to add other 5 members Microsoft ID to access your Microsoft Family Office. Both are works in both offline, online, both it will work. So totally 6 members can use this license by paying 8,199. Okay, each person got 1 TB of storage. Each person get a 1 TB. Not all six can get 1 TB. Each person get 1 TB. Similarly, similar to the same, like up to each person can use up to 5 devices login. Okay. Copilot integrated image and video editings and some data device security is also possible. And coming to the premium is also up to 6 people, 6 TB total means 1 TB per person, 5 devices per user, and multiple devices access. Or maybe some kind of premium Copilot access is there. If you see higher usage limit, then free for selected Copilot features, but this is access to Copilot features currently exclusive to premium. Okay, these are individual purpose. So compared to the earlier, my notes, in my notes, it is older, little older than this one. Recently, these are all upgraded. Okay, so small difference is there. So premium is extra here, plus that's Copilot additionally. Okay, for business. Office 365 Business Basic. Office 365 Business Standard. Basic and standard almost all same kind of features only there. Only thing is in the business is for business organization. You can't take it personally, only for organizational registered companies only. With your company registered email only, it can able to log in. The business editions or enterprise edition also same. Okay, so business basic, business standard. What's the difference? You got a Word, Excel, PowerPoint plus Exchange. Exchange. What is this exchange? Mail communication. So, guys, you want a mail communication. So you have to buy a mail server, right? You have to take a mail services. So for authentication separately, an Active Directory server and a mail server is required. And if the mail server is down, you will lose entire data. Communication will be stopped. You need to buy another mail server. So infrastructure wise, it is increasing. Of course, it is good for security and other things, but still, you don't need to, if you don't want to go for this mail server separately. So, from Office 360 business, you will get a Exchange application. So simply go to Microsoft Exchange as an administrator login, Office 365 administrator login, go to Exchange, add a users in it. Which users and what is their mail ID. Just you have to specify the username, it create a mail ID and password and share the password to that user. So it's a exchange, mail communication without any installation directly, it's available. So specify your organizations and organization users, so then email ID will be exchange. Team viewers. Team viewer, so like sorry, Microsoft Teams, I'm sharing my screen, all my organization's communication going through Teams only. Instant messaging, voice and video, and screen sharing features are there in Teams. SharePoints. I can share my data within my organizations. Okay, within my organization, I can share information. SharePoint is used to share information directly. In SharePoint, also you can create some uh, sites or blogs for a discussion purpose of one specific topic also. Okay, but what is the difference is basic and standard. In a basics, you don't get desktop versions of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office desktop versions you won't get it. Okay, desktop versions you don't get it. Only mobile or a online type. So no desktop version. Okay. Business standard, it includes desktop applications. Okay, desktop wise. Okay, both offline, online, it will support. Similar kind of products, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, plus Exchange, SharePoint, and this is also having same Exchange, SharePoint, Microsoft Teams with the additional features like Microsoft Editor, Loop, and film type of kind of stuff. Okay. The premium is getting same as this standard. All applications, additionally some Microsoft Defenders, some other additional tools you are getting per view. I said one more that is called enterprise. This is for enterprise. Okay. E3, E5, F7. So enterprise organizations take any of these things. Okay. So each one having different kind of set of features. Okay. These are the comparison of these versions. Okay. Here I have written what is SharePoint, Access, Publisher, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, PowerPoint, and Excel and Word. And there is the questions. What is Office 365? What is hybrid work? Purpose of 365 in an era of hybrid and flexible work. Microsoft Copilot for 365, how it works. You can also see certain questions to understand. Guys, understand what is Office 365? Okay. Take a small break, just 2 minutes break, like 12:35. Okay, so we'll see what is this virtualization and